YouTube TV DVR review. How does DVR work on YouTube TV? I'm going to tell you how DVR works on YouTube TV and whether it's actually worth using. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage at no extra cost. That means you can record as many shows, movies, or live events as you want. No worrying about running out of space. Once recorded, your content is saved up to 9 months. Using it is simple. Just hit the plus button on any show or event to add it to your library. YouTube TV will automatically record every airing, including reruns, and store them in your DVR. Playback is smooth, and you can fast forward, rewind, or skip commercials. But skipping depends on the network. Some channels don't allow skipping in on-demand versions, so you'll want to watch from DVR copy when possible. There's no storage cap. It syncs across all your devices, and there's even 4K playback if you pay for the 4K Plus add-on.